afternoon to everyone here. And I am very deeply honored and humbled to share my experience today. And thank you, Manoj, for giving me this opportunity. Before I start with what I am called for, I would like to thank the entire EDU's team who were immensely supportive right from the day one, right from the formalities bit, and also like how to start and how to navigate through the Google Classroom that they are offering to us. So that was all helpful. And as Paras said, even I did not go through the live lectures, but I did make sure to see the every single recorded lecture, including the revision lecture. So that's what helped me. And I would also like to thank Vijaya ma'am for her in-depth practical oriented and revision classes as well. So it's like as if you're a college student, you have the normal classes and you have the revision classes as well. So that's how the things are structured here. So I thank the edition team again for having it in such an organized way. And to start with, see, preparations of exam is a very personalized approach. Every person has his own way of doing it, but something that remains common is your consistency and discipline towards your approach. So having that is what made me achieve whatever I have achieved. So what my study included. So what I ensured is that I made utilization of all the materials, the quizzes, and the sessions organized by the EDU's team, which is hosted on the Google Classroom entirely. So that's what made me clear and of all the concepts and be fully prepared for the exams. And also, I made sure that I studied every single day, and weekend was my kind of somewhere I made an extensive study practicing of your revision kits and revision of what happened during the entire week. So that's what made me perfect. And also the most important thing is uh, we have to ensure that at least the all the questions in the revision kit is touched upon or practiced at least 2 to 3 times well before the exam. So these are the important things that my study habits included for me to achieve the result that I've achieved. So if at all, I should not call it as tricks, but I would like to highlight some of the important aspects as to what helped me uh, achieve this. So starting with the consolidation, which is the most important or the compulsory question that would appear as the first question in each exam. So it's important that we practice all the consolidation questions in the practice kit and in the format that that is taught in the classroom. So that is what will make you achieve the apt answer and also in the time that is allotted for that question. Also, practicing consolidation question in your system and in the application that is used in the ACCA exam is a must. Otherwise, we will not be able to complete the consolidation question in the time that is given to it. And also, the other important thing is that we have like n number of accounting standards. Some concepts are confusing and some concepts are tough. So I would recommend to make a summary in your own words using the technical terminologies used by the BPP book, so that you'll have enough time to revise just before the exam. And as Paras also highlighted, it's important to cover each and every standard. No standard can be left in option. It's not just for the exam, but also it's important from our life perspective. So we don't know in which work situation we will be encountered with what accounting standard. So it's better not just for the exam, but also for our life and practical purposes that we are accustomed or we are learning all the accounting standard. And more importantly, as already said, the format of exam is very important. It's not MCQ. So you have to ensure that you're prepared to write in the pattern that is given by the revision kit. So it's not necessarily that we have to exactly replicate, but at least the topic that is covered by, as highlighted by Paras, like writing the ending balances at the end of the financial year is not something that we would be usually practiced. If at all we are using the accounting software, the ending balances are something that it automatically gives up. We don't practically write or chart out it. So here, ensuring that we give the reasons for every step of the answer that we do, and also writing the year ending aspects of each of the accounting transaction is very important. And also the important thing is that please take 2 to 3 days of leave just before your exam so that you are completely prepared for the exams, and forget the office work for those days, so that you are a student. You should be a student again for you to achieve that success. And also, as I'm a CA and also I've done my CMA US, but we should forget all of that and we have to start from the scratch and ensure And we should not be of the opinion that I am somebody who is doing the fixed assets every single day, so I'll not go through the fixed asset standard. You have to go through, because something that we are not doing practically is something that would be questioned as well. So I would encourage everybody to become a student and achieve the success. So again, to end, I am very grateful for this opportunity provided by the EDUs team, and particularly Manoj for staying with us right from the day one. Thank you, Manoj.